One graduating student of the class of 2020 here in the Central Okanagan School District decided the lack of a prom just didn't add up. So she started a petition and the floodgates opened up. So, should there be proms this year? We asked the student behind the petition.
Going into the petition, I knew 100%, like just starting it, that, you know, it might not even be a possibility, but just to like kind of raise some recognition. Obviously, it's not the most important thing going on in the world right now, but so I did know going in that this might not even be a possibility. It could be totally shut down, and you know, if the virtual ceremony is all we have, you know, that's really wonderful, and it's still better than nothing at all.
We're talking to you outside of Mount Boucherie Secondary. You go to Rutland. Now, I understand both of those schools will actually offer a chance for kids to walk across a stage in a ceremonial way and get their diploma. So what's missing?
I think it's the being with everyone, you know, being able to throw our caps in the air at the end of the year, you know, just with everybody, being with our peers, our classmates. This is our last chapter of being kids, you know, like right before we go into university. It's our last chapter of being, you know, being a teenager and not having to worry about paying bills or all of that stuff. The thing that it's missing for me is probably prom.
The prom, okay. So how would you envision a prom to happen, given all of these circumstances?
You know, I think if prom can happen, I'm probably just going to go down with a couple of friends in our dresses and just, you know, walk downtown.
What do you want them to do about a prom?
Probably make it a lot different, I would say, for sure. Maybe depending on the size of the grad class, split it into two, or do it over like a couple of days, split it alphabetically, or even if we just all went in dresses in a big field, say, you know, the field right beside the Apple Bowl, that one's pretty big, and you could be with a lot of people, very spaced out. It's
you really want a chance for everyone to put on their graduating, do their dresses and their tuxes and do that stuff.
Yeah, I think it's really important. I mean, I know it's obviously not the most important thing, but for a lot of grads, I've not just speaking for myself, but speaking for a lot of them, they have spent thousands of dollars on dresses or like, you know, suits and stuff. I feel like that's probably, it's a day that we've all been working for 13 years. It is the traditional, and even if it can't be the traditional walk downtown and the dinner at the Grand, I feel like some sort of way to show off these beautiful dresses and this beautiful formal wear should be somehow put into this. And if it can't, you know, we can't change that because, you know, there's a lot going on right now, and if that can't happen, then it's okay, and, you know, we'll move forward from it.
Yeah, I can sort of hear what you're saying here is that you're not trying to pretend that this is the most important issue facing our world right now.
Yeah.
But at the same time, you can logically see a path towards some kind of a ceremony like that could be accommodated without being too risky.
Yeah, and a lot of people have brought it to my attention that, you know, people, if you're in your dresses, even in a big field, people are going to go be hugging each other and all of that. And so, like, I do take that and listen to them, and I understand everything everyone's saying because, you know, like, you know, it's really stressful for everyone right now. Like, people are losing jobs and all of that, and I totally understand. But I feel like if it can't happen now, it's just more postponing rather than completely canceling it. And I am super grateful that we still get to walk some sort of stage, even if it's not the traditional one.
All right, Ally Wyllie, thanks for telling us about your concerns.
Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.